Hey everyone, real quick, we're going to make one adjustment. Now that you have set your parent conference link, we actually are going to adjust one quick thing that I forgot to add when we made the link. So we can actually make first our appointment conferences to 10 minutes rather than 15. And also we're going to make sure that instead, if you noticed when you set your link, it was actually making all the appointments every 30 minutes, even though the appointment slots were 15. You're gonna go into your Calendly thing. You're gonna find the conference that you made. You're gonna click the wheel and click edit. Then you're going to click on when people can book, that you had your duration for 15 minutes. If you want your 10-minute slots like normal, you're gonna click here and click custom and switch it to 10 minutes. Then you're gonna go down to the bottom and you're gonna click additional rules. And here it says 30 minutes. That's why it was scheduling every 30 minutes rather than every 15, which you wanted. If you want your 10 minutes, like I did, you're gonna click 10, and then you're gonna go ahead and click save. Now if you go back and you're gonna view your booking page, now you're gonna see that your conferences are 10 minutes, which is what you wanted. You're gonna click here, and now you can see that your appointment slots are every 10 minutes, and you're golden. All right, come find me if you need help.